Hello guys, in this video we will talk about the function pointers. This is quite an interesting topic. Just I will cover the basic concept in this video, and we will also move advanced in this and will look forward the use cases of the function pointers. So this is our familiar diagram we have already discussed in our previous video. So this is my main function where I have created two variables a and b. The value of a is 2 and the value of b is 3. Then I pass these a and b as an argument in the function add. Then just I return the sum and will store the sum in C. So we have already looked, the control will move forward to this block when I call this function, and when it finishes its execution, then the control will return in this main function. So now look, if I want to call this function through its address using a pointer variable, so how can we do this? So just I need to store the starting address of this function, then we can do this. How? But there is only a condition: the prototype of the function will be same. So I can store the address of the function like this. I have created a pointer variable p, but the prototype is same. We are actually passing two arguments as integer, so this, and the return type is int, so this. The prototype should always be same if we want to call the function through our pointer variable. So it will store the starting address of this function, which is 100. This. Then when I want to call this function using this pointer variable, I simply pass the arguments to this pointer which I want to pass, normally like a function name. So now look the small program. This is the same program where I have declared two integer variables a and b. Value is this, and then I created a pointer variable p which will take the address of this function. Look, the prototype is same as this add function. Look, the prototype is same exactly. So now look, we actually assign the address of this function in this pointer variable. So whatever instruction is stored at this address will be execute when we call this pointer variable and passing these two arguments which I want to pass. Normally we can pass like this: the name of pointer variable, then the argument which we want to pass. So look for the output. Okay, it is giving me 5 right output. Also look another example to clear your doubt. So I create a simple void function which will take name as the argument and then say hello to the name. Okay, so can you guess how can I call this function using the main function using pointer? So just the syntax should be same. Return type is void, so okay, return type is void. Then our pointer variable name and no arguments for this function, and will assign the address of this function like this. And when I call like this, oh sorry, argument is char star, actually character array. Then when I pass the name, so look for the output. Okay, so it is giving me hello Praful. Understand again what I have done. The prototype is same, then the argument will also same, the return type is same, the whole prototype should also same like the function, and argument and return type should be same. Then just nothing hard in this, we'll assign the address of the function and simply call like this. Also I can call like this, actually it's also same. Why it is giving me error? Oh, it is giving me error because I should call like this. Okay, so hello Praful, just remember this thing. When just say you look, this is giving me error if I call like this, because just remember this thing, the whole pointer variable is this. So we can also call like this, but we can generally simple also call like this. So this is quite simple, and we will look for the test cases of pointer as function in the next video.